everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am happy you found us. I'm Lisa, and this is Creativity and Inspiration. Okay, today we are doing our own DIY gift boxes bags, and you're going to be as shocked as I was when I figured this out, but I know all of you have probably already figured this out, which is amazing. I'm just a little late to the game here, but let's talk using the boxes that we use in other parts of our crafting and creativity. Let's talk about using them for gifts. So come with me. Okay guys, this first box, as you can see, is a popcorn box. Not advertising the popcorns, don't even worry about it. But this would make a great gift box. Just how it is. It has fun colors. It has, movement with the popcorn for a popcorn lover or for somebody that likes to go to the movies, okay? All you would have to do to make this amazing is to cut off your flaps on the one side, because I want it to go this way, because what I would do is I'm going to cut the flaps off. Let me get my scissors here. After you get the flaps cut off, poke 2 holes, one on each side. Take your ribbon, whatever ribbon you have. Take that, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to use the curly ribbon because that's the red ribbon I could find, because I think red goes great with this. And I'm going to punch it through here. And there you have it. There's your handle. Now you fill it. How cute is that? I guarantee any popcorn lover, movie lover in your life would think this is adorable. Okay, we're going to go from simplest to most time consuming. Of course, this was the easiest, the simplest. Stay tuned till the end of the video and I will show you how this looks with goodies in it. Okay, our next box is the cereal box, and you're like, oh no, that's my journal cover. No, today it is actually going to be a gift box. All we're going to do, again, is cut the top flaps off. We don't need those. And again, I'm leaving it long ways because you know what? These are great for books. You know, you put books in big old bags and they flop around. You have all that wasted space. This is great for a book. So let me cut my tabs off. But this one, we're going to decorate. So like I said, birthdays, holidays, just because days. These just are amazing. They don't cost, you've already paid for them, okay? They do have a cost, but you've already paid for them. So why not use them again? I mean, it just makes sense. Okay, so I cut off the top flaps. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the outside. Now you can use scrapbook paper, you can use napkins, you can use tissue paper, you can paint it and decorate the outside however you want to. You could use butcher paper and wrap it all in one color and then stamp it, whatever you want. There's a million options, literally. Well, figuratively, but literally there's a lot too. I'm going to use 2 scrapbook papers with a little scrapbook embellishment. Okay, so this is the first scrapbook paper, and I'm going to put it on the front, and it just has Christmas words on it. I'm going to make sure I put it right side up, okay? And then when I folded it to measure it earlier, it almost covers the sides, almost. You can see just a little showing, which is fine. And I'm just going to get it even as I can and kind of do that, and then I'm going to tape it. You're welcome to glue it. I know some of you love to glue. I love to glue too, but not when I'm doing videos and it takes glue so long to dry. So I'm going to use double-sided tape, and I'm going to tape the front and then the side and the side. Okay, so I've got it attached on the 2 sides and the front. Now what I'm going to do is trim off this extra up here. You can see it right there. Okay, so there's our front. Now to make it more festive, I have this shopping banner piece of paper, and I thought I would attach part of it onto the front, or maybe onto the sides and the front. Maybe wrap it like that, and that just adds a little more decor to it. And then I'll poke my holes, put my ribbon again, put my tissue paper and a present in there, and it's ready to go. So stay tuned, and you'll see this one completed at the end of the video. Okay, the last one we're doing is this little pop-over, turn-over box, and it's going to be sideways because that's the way it opened. Again, I'll cut off these tabs, but this one's going to be a little different. Before I do anything with it, I'm going to paint it all solid white because I don't want any of the original box to show through. So I'll paint it white. When it dries, I'm going to decoupage this gorgeous napkin onto it. And that's it. That's going to be my gift box. Stuff it, fill it with a necklace, a video game. You know, anything that's flatter and small will fit in this. Great box. Great idea box, guys. And you'll see that one at the end too. Before you run off though, I did want to show you. Be sure when you pull your napkins apart, you know, because you only use the top layer for decoupaging, to look at the layer underneath, because I don't know if you can see this or not, but there is a negative image on there, and it is just so gorgeous that it would look amazing decoupaged on something as well. So always check your napkins for that, because, I mean, what better way to decorate stuff? And I found so many cute napkins in my stash. Oh my gosh. So stay tuned, because I have an awesome hot chocolate in your home, in your hands kind of thing coming up. So if you like hot chocolate, stay tuned for that. But anyway, back to our DIY boxes. Okay guys, so all the boxes are done. They're all stuffed with their gifts, just waiting for their special person. So hang on until the very end of this video and you will get to see them. But before you go, be sure and hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. What has been the most memorable gift that you've ever received? Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.